Hi, welcome to GMST Solutions Private Limited Digital Learning. In the part of how to crack full stack Java interviews, the question number 25. The question is what is set in Java? The same way, what is set in collection API? The entire collection it is available in package, a library, java.util.star package. So inside this package, the util package, we have the collection framework, list, set, map. Okay. So all the collection API. So here the question, the set in Java is nothing but the entire set data. Entire set interface allows only unique data. Entire set interface allows only unique data. Only unique data. Unique data in the sense there is no duplicate values. Example, if you want to add the data, we have the array of records or list of records. If you want to add to the set interface, there is a duplicates maybe in the array, the list. If you want to omit that duplicates, we will use the set interface. Example, I have a simple string type data Java, and another one I'm taking something like .NET. If again I'm taking the Java, it won't allow the Java. So now the Java J is capital, J is small letter. So there is a difference between the character ways it will allow. If it is both are same, it won't allow the duplicate values. So capital letter is different, small letter is different, it will allow Java, capital Java, small Java. But if you take the both the small Java, you will get the duplicate. It won't store the duplicate element in our set interface. It will omit automatically. How it will omit, how it will check the duplicate data internally in set interface. The internal working of set interface I will give in the next video. So in detailed way. So just for the question wise, what is set in Java API, the set interface or Java collection API. So what is set in collection API? So we'll discuss clearly. So set is interface. It allows only unique data. There is no duplicates. Okay. So for set interface directly we cannot create the object. So we have to go for the hierarchy wise. So you can see the first is collection is a interface. So for collection sub interface is set allows only unique data. For set implemented classes, we have has set and linked has set. Linked has set. Linked has set. These are the implemented classes. Has set will give the data randomly because it will follow internally hashing mechanism. We cannot predict how it will print the data, but only unique data with random display. Linked has set is insertion order, how it will maintain internally node ways because the linked list, the same like linked list hierarchy, we have the node based, it will show in the node format. So unique data with insertion order. So we are inserting the same way, unique way, you will get the data. So, done. Next, if you want to print the data in set interface, okay, if you want to print the data in the set interface, by default sorting order, we have tree set. We have tree set. Before the tree set, so again we have the collection is interface, sub interface for the collection is set, set for sub interface for set. Okay, we have the sorted set, sorted set. Sorted set again we have the sub interface navigable set. So for this set interface we have implemented class is treeset. The treeset is the implemented class for printing by default sorting order. See, if you go for the collection set, has set, linked has set. So random display has set, unique data, insertion order, unique data using linked has set. If you want to print by default sorting order, either alphabetically or numerically, you will go for the tree set. So navigable set, and sorted sets are the interfaces. So collection is a super interface, set is sub interface. For set, sub interface is sorted set. For sorted set, sub interface is the navigable set. So these are the interfaces. Tree set is class, implemented class. Here collection and set for the implemented class has set, for subclass for the has set linked has set. So we have the three implemented class for set interface. So each and every class will go for the example wise. So what I'm giving, hash set is random display with unique data, linked hash set unique data with insertion order, tree set is unique data with a sorted manner. So we'll see the examples on the hash set, linked hash set and tree set and compare the theory. So theory and practical it is perfect or not. And so this point of view, if you explain to the interviewer, so it is enough for the question to answer. But if they are asking, can you write the code on set interface? Can you implement set interface logic? How to iterate? How to print? So these all things. So we'll go for the simple example. See, just take the simple example and set interface. Here, set is interface unable to create the object for the set interface. So we can take the generic type or raw type also we can take. So what is the generic? So I'll explain once again. Equal to new hash set. Hash set is another implemented class. Hash set. So data dot add method. Data dot add method. So here you can go for the any type of records. As raw type means we can add any type of data. It won't allow the duplicate data. You can check it. So Java already is there. Again we are taking the Java, it won't add the duplicate elements. So data dot add method. So here you can see the here you can see simple way any characters. So double type data. Any type of element we can take it. So boolean type, just raw type collection. Just if you want to print the data, so here we have the duplicate elements. Here you can see duplicate elements we have Java duplicate. It won't allow the duplicate element. I am taking one more element. So data dot add method. So 20 or 30 you can take it. So again we have the 20. So it won't allow the duplicate elements. Just print the data variable. Save and execute. So here I can see we have given the Java 2 times, you will get the only one time. So hash set is random display, we cannot predict how it will print the records. See. So A one time, so Java 2 times we have given, but one time only get 20, 2 times we have given, you will get the only one time. So these are things. Okay. Next, if you want to iterate over the data, so data, so you can see the iterator interface, iterator. So ITR equal to data dot iterator. So like this we can iterate over the set type data. So we have inside the iterator interface has next method. It will give the data is there or not. The first element. If it is the first element, it will find the iterator object just before the first element. When you call has next, it will give the boolean value true or false if there is element. So if it is element is there, it will go for the printing the element with the help of itr.next method. It will move the cursor one point to another point, printing and moving to the next point. Finally, so once reached to the last element, there is no element for the next. So the hash next method will give the boolean false. It will stop the loop. So it is hash set. If you go for the linked hash set, linked hash is by default data maintains same like hash set, unique data only. Output is insertion order. So linked hash set interface. Here I am taking the linked hash set. See, the data and everything I am taking the same. So you can see first Java, then 20 test, because linked hash set maintains insertion order. So Java 20 test A. Done. The same way, if you go for the tree set we need to sort the data either by alphabetically or numerically. If you take the raw type data, you will get error for the sorting issues, because we cannot compare with the j with 20 which one j will come first or second. So we won't take the combination of the both numerical and alphabets. We'll go for the any type of data that we can call the generic type data. So if I take the generic type, it will allow us only same type, not other than what we are expecting the generic type. So just take the next example. I'm taking another example. Simple class, example 6 or 7. So here I'm taking main method. So you can, if you want to take the direct tree set object, you can take it. Otherwise, set with the tree set also we can take. So because implemented class. So here I'm taking the string type data. We need to allow the only string type data. That is a generic type of data. What we can type of data. New tree set. So if you want to take like this, you can take. Otherwise, like this also correct only. From JDK 8 onwards. Okay, fine. The data.add method. So any type that I can take it. Any type. So data.add method. So you can take any type. Idea pad. Typed. Any type data, any characters. If you want to take the duplicates, you can take duplicates. It won't allow. So notepad, anything. So if you print the records, see, you can see the only unique by default sorting order. So we have given first is the Sony, but we got the Apple first. Then Lenovo we have given, but we will the alphabetically A B C D E F J H I. So like this, you can see the all the data in by default alphabetical order. Okay. So you can see the Apple. So even Sony were taking Lenovo. So there is a book. So data.add method. So I'm taking the book. The same series I'm taking data.add method. So ball. So now you can see B is the both are same and O is the after A you will get. So first you will get the ball, then you will get the book. So alphabetical, second alphabet, third alphabetical. And if you take the capital letters, the first part is the capital letter. If you take, so first is Z, you will get the Z only because remaining all are small characters. So you will get Z is the first because Z capital letter, so highest priority. So alphabetical first, capital A first, so like that. And if you want to iterate about the your set data, by default ascending order. If you want to print descending order or ascending order, directly we can take it. See, iterator, the string type data. So you have to take the type data here. So itr equal to data dot iterator. So if you go for the descending iterator, you will get the, so highest value to lowest value descending order you will get. If you go for the default iterator, that is the ascending order. How we are printing the by default is the ascending order. You can see. So while itr dot has next, itr dot next. So like this we can iterate over the data. If you want to go for the descending iterator, so descending iterator, you will get reverse order. See, reverse order will get it. Opposite. So this one for the alphabetically ascending order. So descending iterator is reverse for the ascending order. So reverse order will get it. So this is simple example for your set interface, has set and linked has set. And if you go for the tree set, if you want to take the numerical data also, if you want to take numerical data, see the same way here I'm taking the numerical data, just commenting here. So tree set, integer type data, new tree set, so data dot add method, anything we can take it, so randomly you can take. Any type data you can add it. Duplicates to want allow. See, again randomly in numerical data, if you print it by default sorting order, you will get it. So the same like iterator, if you go for the iterator operation also, so by default sorting order you will get it. So 3 5 7 10. So this is simple set interface information. So how it will work internally, set interface. So I will give the next video, next question, internal working of set interface. And map also we'll discuss in coming interviews. So any question regarding the set interface explanation and coding wise, you can drop your queries in comment box. We'll discuss in detailed manner. So you can just go through the once again, what is the super interface, then sub interface, then implemented classes. Again for the tree set, collection set, sorted set, navigable set, and tree set is implemented class. These four are the interfaces. Here collection and set is the interface, asset linked is the classes. It is 1.4 version, it is 1.2 version. Okay, navigable set 1.6 version. So remaining 1.2 version. Okay, so thank you.